As a new streamer, there are so many things that you can waste time on, waste money on. And if you don't have the right tools to be able to stream, to sound good, to look good, to be able to create content faster, it's going to be harder to be able to grow. So today I'm going to introduce you to about 7 tools that you need to have in your toolkit to allow you to be able to stream, grow, and create content. And thank you, Epidemic Sound, for sponsoring this video. So the first tool here is going to be Grok, and that's going to be leveraging AI. When it comes to generating ideas, not only for your stream, for the videos you're going to make to be able to grow, it's important to be able to use AI to be able to do that. So Grok is going to be the first tool that's going to allow you to be able to figure out what people are saying on X, right? So if you have a game that you play and you want to know what people are talking about to get ideas on, maybe there was an update, maybe there was a patch, maybe there was something that happened in the game or some news and you want to be the first to it, Grok is going to be great to be able to do that by typing in what it is that you're talking about for your game. So tell me what is happening in Marvel Rivals, right? So this is an example to be able to go ahead and search. And you go ahead and search that to be able to get ideas on what's happening. This is going to search all of X and give you all the ideas on what's happening. So here's what's going on. Here's what people are saying about the current season. This is going to give you ideas to be able to go ahead and create content or streams around. And then again, you also have access to ChatGPT to be able to do the same. So I encourage you to tap into AI to start generating ideas for your content, for your stream, so you can grow and be relevant for your viewers. The next thing is that you need a tool to be able to live stream. So if you don't have a tool to live stream yet, OBS Studio is going to be a great one. You have Streamlabs as well. And then if you're a console streamer, you also have Livestream Studio. However, Streamlabs just announced that you can now go ahead and multi-stream from your console utilizing their Streamlabs console feature, allowing you to stream to Kick, YouTube, and Twitch at the same time directly from your console. And again, everything that I mentioned here today is going to be in the description of this video, and I'll also put additional videos, me going deeper into some of these tools here. So now you have your ways to be able to generate ideas using AI. You have a tool to be able to stream. Now we want to go ahead and bring in music to be able to keep our audience engaged throughout the stream. And this is where Epidemic Sound comes in. Not only do you need it for live streams, but also when you're making content. This is what I personally utilize because one, I don't have to worry about my music getting a DMCA strike, getting my content taken down. Whether I use this music on my stream, whether I use it on my videos, on TikTok, on Instagram, it's gonna keep me covered. And you can see here that they have over 50,000 tracks you can go ahead and select from, over 200,000 sound effects you can utilize. Again, these are tools that's gonna allow you to be able to create a vibe and a feeling in your streams, in your content, and make sure that you're doing the things the way that needs to be done. Epidemic makes it easy to be able to search based on genres, based on mood. You can even upload your video directly into Epidemic, and it's going to go ahead and give you recommendations on what sounds to be able to utilize. And you can go ahead and get a free trial for 30 days. Again, I'll put a link in the description of this video, but this is what I recommend when it comes to music for your stream. Okay. Now, when you have music, you also want to create content, and that content also requires music. This is why I recommend Epidemic. Now, when it comes to designing graphics for your stream or for your videos, specifically thumbnails, Adobe Express is the tool that I love to be able to utilize simply because it makes it easy to be able to use templates to create fonts. And I've made tons of videos showing you how to use Adobe Express to be able to create thumbnails for your videos. Not only that, you can also edit with this as well. So go ahead and check out Adobe Express. You can go ahead and get it for free. And then you can also sign up for a free trial if you want some access to premium features like premium templates and things of that sort. So definitely check that out there. Then we have powder.gg. So this is going to be a tool that's going to make it easy for you to be able to clip your live stream. So let's say you go live, you can then use Powder to go ahead and clip all these moments based on kills, based on laughter, based on engagement. That way you can go ahead and post that on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram Reels to be able to grow. But it's not just a clipping tool. It also allows you to be able to record your gameplay, be able to create montages. There's so many things you can do here. But again, this is about being efficient, being smart, and being able to go ahead and create content quickly, and Powder does that. And again, Powder is completely free. They do have a pro plan if you want to be able to download your videos in 4K, but 1080p is all you need, and that's available for you on the free version there. And again, everything that I'm mentioning today, I'm going to put in the description of this video. Then you have CapCut, which is probably one of the most powerful free editors you can possibly utilize. It's not only beginner friendly, but it's going to allow you to be able to edit your content, add in music that you got from Epidemic Sound, be able to use templates, be able to create so many different unique. And the beautiful thing about this one, it's free. You can use it on your mobile, you can use it on your computer, you can use it on tablet, you can use it on the web, and it just allows you to be able to create content that looks good on social media. So definitely check that out there. Then we have Nightbot. So Nightbot is a great tool to be able to utilize to monitor your chat. So having a bot in your stream is going to be super important to not only moderate when people are being trolls or saying things, but it's also a great way to be able to create points or engagement systems for your stream so that your viewers engage. But then you also can go ahead and let people know about your latest video or things that are coming up. It's important for you to be able to have something like this that not only automates, gives you chat messages, gives you moderation, but also you're going to be able to get data to be able to understand like what are the things that people are saying, what commands are being utilized the most. So it's super important. If somebody says, hey, Curry, what's your YouTube channel? I can just say, type in !YT, and then the bot's going to automatically put the link to my YouTube channel without me having to interrupt the stream or stop what I'm doing. I can just do that, and also makes it easier for your moderators. And again, I've made a full video on Nightbot, how to set it up, how to set up commands. And again, I'll link that in the description below. Then it's super important to be able to control your stream. Right now, what I'm using is a Stream Deck to be able to switch scenes, to be able to go to my main camera, to be able to pop up stuff. This makes it easy so that way you're not stumbling, looking to switch scenes, trying to click something on OBS. This makes it super easy. And again, Elgato has tons of different options for the Stream Deck. This is their Stream Deck Neo, which is pretty much all you need because again, when you have that many buttons, you can create different pages, you have different options, but that is what is available to you. Now, if you don't want to get the Stream Deck Neo, you can go ahead and get the Stream Deck Mobile, which you can use your phone, you can use a tablet to be able to switch scenes. Again, there's a small, I think, monthly or yearly fee that you pay, but again, it's not $100 and you can have access to your mobile device to be able to switch your scenes wherever you go, adjust your lights if you have Elgato. It's super powerful to have tools like this. Then of course, you want to make your stream look professional. And this is where Stream Designs comes in. They have tons of animated overlays to make your stream look professional. Different packages, different themes. It has your starting soon, has your alerts, has everything that you need to make your stream look professional. Just like you have here, the animated package called Project Zero that gives you everything that you need. So let's take a look here. You're going to have a countdown timer. You're going to be able to have your stinger transition, and you're going to have all these additional elements. And again, when you buy from Stream Designs, your countdown timer and stinger transition are sold separately, but everything that you're going to get in here is going to be animated webcam overlay, 5 animated overlay screen, be right back, just chatting, top overlay bar, starting soon, currently offline, animated alerts, 7 panels, about, Discord, donate, all of these elements to make your stream look professional. Now, if you want to be able to know how to import these overlays into whatever streaming platform you're utilizing, which is like OBS or Streamlabs or Livestream Studio, so that way your stream looks professional, go ahead and click this video right here where I walk you step by step on setting up all of your overlays inside of OBS Studio to make your stream look professional. I'll see you guys in the next video.